Alright, so it's the fireworks today, so I'm gonna take a video of y'all so you can watch it. Alright. It's gonna be pretty good fireworks. I like the fireworks. They're good. Especially sparklers and stuff like that. I'm taking a video. Oh, you see that? Oh. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. I really do. I'm taking this video for you guys, so y'all can just sit back or y'all can just look out your window today or tomorrow, because tomorrow's 4th of July. So, but y'all can watch the fireworks right now if you live in Northeast or wherever you are. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, they didn't launch none yet. No more until now. Until they launch them. I'm about to see. That was tough. I liked that. Alright, they're about to launch one. No, it's not. No, not yet. No more. What did you do? Alright, so they're not done yet. They're not done yet. They're about to shoot one up right now. So until we can watch the sparklers, the beautiful sparklers, until we see one. I missed it.